were filled with that popular feeling. I could tell by the walk I have heard about the walk. You think to yourself, like when you're in bed, something clobbered me in the head. Am I ready to leave? You said, I have exhausted this view. I have exhausted this view. I was flattered, ambivalent. I was captive and I was spent. I was wounded the other day. You couldn't see beyond me. Of all the stories I have heard, the one with the injured bird seems to ring most true. It seems to ring most true. You kept it warm and safe in a box, a grass and old shirt bed, cardboard box. Then you let the cat over the fence. It doesn't get any better than this. It doesn't get any better